Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and support. Thank you. Hello all. So today's video is about setting and installing the Meteor fly screen or bug visor on our CB350. So if you are interested in this product, you can buy it out of any Royal Enfield showroom. Do note that it isn't available online. Even though you will get to see it in the RE website, you can't buy it online. And to say about the price, I bought it for 1750 rupees. Now it costs like 1250 rupees. And yeah, it is comparatively costlier. But if I were to say, the quality justifies the cost. So out of the box, these are the items that you get: a set of mounts, mounting bars, clamps and nuts and bolts, etc. And see, this carbon fiber finish that you see is something that I added onto it. Okay, just saying. Now before we start, about these clamps that you get with the visor, you can't really use it directly out of the box. The reason being, one, it is bigger than our fork. Two, even if we somehow mount it with the padding, it will hit the tank when you turn the handlebar. So if you want to use it, you will need to get it fabricated, or else you can follow my lead. So to fix it, I bought this aftermarket clamps out of a site called Electromania. You can also buy it from Flipkart or Amazon. And I bought the matching nuts and bolts from a local shop. Now let's move on to the assembly and installation. Yeah, one other thing is that I have added all the relevant links in the description. Do check it out.